In this video, you learn how to add automatic supports to a model in Bambu Studio. A snowman model will be used to demonstrate the supports. First click on Global and then on Support. You see it's turned off. Let's preview the model. A warning about floating regions will appear because this model needs support. Click on Prepare to return. Check this box to enable support. And preview the model again. The standard automatic tree supports will be sufficient in many cases. Click on this box and change the automatic support type to Normal. Preview the model again to see what this looks like. Normal supports are not suitable for these kinds of models. Change it back to tree supports. Let's preview the model and you will see this is much better. This means that all angles below 30 degrees will be supported. Change it to 90 degrees and preview the model. More trees are being added because almost every angle is supported now. Change it to 1 degree and preview the model. Now there is much less support added. Click on the orange arrow to reset the value. Check on Build Plate Only and preview the model. Now, supports are only added on the build plate itself and not on top of the model or other supports. This is better visible with normal supports instead of tree supports. Let's change it to normal support. Only supports on the build plate are being added now. Let's uncheck on Build Plate Only and preview the model. You see, there are much more supports around the model. Now reset all values. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. When the Objects tab is selected, you can select the model here. From there, you can also go to another support tab. Disable it and preview the model. The supports are gone now. Click on Prepare to return. Now click on the Global tab and then on Support. Here you see it's turned on. Leave it on and preview the model. The supports are still missing even though the box was checked. Click on the Objects tab and select the model. Then click on the orange lock icon to link the model support settings to the global support settings. Preview the model again and you see that the supports are back. When you turn it off in the global settings, the supports will be removed. The global settings are now leading. Turning the supports back on will make them reappear. Another option is that you can choose a specific filament for the supports. Reset the angle and preview the model. The supports are made of the same filament as the model itself. Now click this plus button to add another filament. The color is red in this example. Then you can select this filament to be used for the supports. Preview the model again to see this. All supports are now made of red filament, which can be special soluble filament, for example. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there.